Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to A Vintage Vanity. I am super excited for today's video because, well, you guys are here. And today we are throwing it back. We are going old school on this channel and we're doing a hair tutorial. And I don't really toot my own horn, but let me tell ya, toot toot, because this is cute. Okay, I am just giddy right now because of the fact that it is, if you're watching this on the day it uploads, which is Tuesday, January 12th, tomorrow, the Classy Chicks Vintage Flicks movie discussion is coming back. I'm so excited, and we are going to be hosting it over on Twitch because it's just easier for streaming capabilities. So the thing we like, if you don't have Twitch, it's okay, you can still watch it. You don't have to have a login to watch it, which is so fabulous. And we are rebranding it and we are calling it the Golden Era Girls because we love the Golden Era, we love the Golden Girls. And we are going to be doing more stuff over on Twitch besides just the monthly movie live streaming. So I will leave information in the description about all of that. I hope to see you there on Wednesday. So excited about it. And yeah, you know what I'm also excited about? The fact that if you have never subscribed to this channel, you are going to go and you're going to hit the subscribe button, and then you're going to turn on the little notification bells to be notified because my upload schedule is a little crazy. So yes, so excited. Let's get into it. And let me tell you, I'm a little rusty. Enjoy. For this look, you are going to use your favorite curl method. For today, I used my good old curling iron. Now, I will place a link on the screen to my video about all my tips on using a curling iron to achieve good curls for vintage styles. And I just rolled everything back and everything under. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and take out all my clips. Ah, that feels so good. Now I'm going to take my 7-row Denman brush and just give it a quick light brush through. Now I'm going to take my favorite brush, which is the teasing brush, and I'm simply going to use the end of it to section off the hair in a great big giant U shape. If it resembles a little bit of a V, you should be fine as well. Now I'm simply going to pin up that section we separated. Now I'm simply taking the rest of my hair and we're going to brush it up into a high ponytail. And we want to tie it off right behind the section of hair that we just sectioned. Wow, sentences, they can be difficult. To tame any of my flyaways, I'm going to go ahead and use my pomade to do so. Even though this one is a lighter weight pomade, you want to make sure that you are not using too much of it because too much pomade can lead to a very greasy look, which if that's the look you're going for, that's great. But for this, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh my God, you guys, this is a tragedy. I'm completely out of hairspray. So we're going to be finishing this look using no hairspray.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I feel like I'm being tested right now. My first hair tutorial back in such a long time, and now the challenge. Ooh. Oh, she cute. Ugh, I love when it does stuff like that. Now it just makes me want to. I'm going to be back combing on the front side of the hair because I want the hair to lay more forward than back. And I am just going to back comb right at the base. Now normally I would hairspray this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So now that it's all kind of done, I'm just going to take my teasing brush and lightly comb over the outside of the hair. and then holding on to the ends, brushing right through it. Because we want to make sure that the ends are nice and smooth. Easy. What we're going to do is we're going to take these curls and we're just going to kind of squish them up into the divot that is here in the hair. We're going to take our bobby pin and we're going to place it into the curls. Use nature's brush at this point, and you just kind of want to get in there, fluff up any curls. If there's any like gaps, you want to get in there and kind of massage them closed, and just make sure that you like the way the bang looks. If you need to pull it over a little bit more, just kind of take your finger in and pull it just slightly. Oh, look at how tiny that little ponytail is. Don't worry, I got a fix for that. Why, yes, we did need an outfit change. So how is it we are actually going to magically grow my ponytail into looking longer and fuller? Well, that is a trip to Amazon. So I will link below where I got this, but this is essentially a ponytail, like a faux ponytail. I'm going to take the clips out of it while I talk about it. I messed up all my words while removing the pins from this hairpiece, so I will talk about it while I brush it. And I'm just going to use my Denman to brush it. Now, how I got a ponytail fall to match my hair color is that I actually bought a platinum ponytail. And I made sure that the hair was dyeable. Usually it is human hair grade that's dyeable. And you also want to make sure that the hair is heat resistant. So that gives you a lot more options in the styling of it. You can use hot rollers, you can use foam rollers, and I used my curling iron for this. The thing that attracted me to this particular faux hair piece was the fact that it had a lot of row of wefts here, and this was very flexible. It's not very stiff, so it's easy enough to hide this Velcro piece. You could even, if you don't want to use it as a ponytail, you can even like fold it in and sew it down, and you could certainly cut off this piece, which is to wrap around the end of the ponytail. But I really like the flexibility of this because it's easy enough to hide that little piece and this and use it for, you know, additional hair on your head or as a ponytail. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that right now. Going to put a little bit of pomade in it as well because the curling and the brushing kind of led to a little static and some flyaways in the hair. Oh my God, I can't do two things at once. And then I am also going to kind of gather all the hair up, and then at the end just kind of twist it around because a lot of 50s ponytails were more uniform, so I want it to look a little bit more like that. So let's go ahead and put this in. There's a little comb right here, so that comb is going to stick right into the ponytail itself. Then this Velcro section is going to wrap under your ponytail. You gotta make this very confused looking face while you're trying to do it. It is going to wrap up and around, and as it goes, you're just going to keep wrapping that hair around, and it covers up all that Velcro. You simply pin it down so the hair doesn't unravel there. Sometimes the weight of this can kind of pull the ponytail down. So what I like to do is I like to take a comb and I just lift the hair and place the comb right underneath all of it. Which kind of just gives it a little bit more support and a little bit more height in the actual ponytail. It's not dramatic at all, my dog. And I'm going to, you know what, we're going to fluff out the ponytail. I know I said most 50s ponytails are, you know, uniform. I kind of like seeing the ponytail a little bit more on the sides of the head. So yeah, there we go. What do you guys think? I still have a little anxiety over the fact that I don't have any hairspray in my hair. My dog is gonna moan and groan through the entire ending of this. So, enjoy. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Be sure and let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's look, and let me know if you own faux hair as well. I would love to hear your experiences on that. And of course, before I let you go, a huge subscriber shout out to Stitches by Wolfbane. Thank you so much for commenting, liking, watching my videos, and just generally being a part of our cozy little online community. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to find me between uploads, you can find me on all the social media as a Vintage Vanity. If you'd like to watch my last video, you can click the video you see right there. And of course, if you don't want to miss anything that goes on here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you're notified when new videos are posted. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye!